gonna be one for the record. Hey my dolls, how y'all doing? How do you see my hair? It is looking fabulous. How do you see my makeup as well? I'm trying to rearrange the lights for it to fix perfectly. For these, is this okay? But damn, I look too good, man. I look too good. I look too good. I know you guys can testify to that. I look too good. I mean, hey my red dolls, how y'all doing? I'm doing a get ready with me. Yes, guys, I am doing a get ready with me on this amazing look. Do you guys see it? So without further ado, let's just get right into this video, shall we? And hey, you there? Have you subscribed? And you wanted us to jump inside the video. Why? Go subscribe, we're waiting. Are you done? Okay, good. Okay, good, good, good. Now we will proceed inside the video. I love you. Stay tuned. Mwah. Oh, guys, by the way, when you subscribe, be sure to hit that bell button, huh? That bell button. Hit it to receive more of your girls' videos. I know my voice is not all that, but at least I can make noise. So stay tuned. Hey my red gang, how y'all doing? I hope you guys are doing fine. How's everything going? How's 1-2-1-2 going? I hope you guys are doing good though. Okay, so I'm back at it again with another video, and in this video I'm gonna be doing a simple get ready with me with you guys, so you guys can see, you know me exactly. Without further ado, let's get right into this video. In this get ready with me, I'm gonna be, talking about some 1, 2, 3 things. So stay tuned and enjoy. So first up, I'm going to be doing my brows. So guys, I'm watching this reality TV show called Real Housewives, and God. So I've already passed the season where Taylor is. Hold on, guys. Let me finish using my brows. I cannot talk while doing my brows. Where Camille has already spilled the tea about how Taylor's husband is beating her. I feel bad though because the guy doesn't look like someone who beats women. Like,
she's in this relationship because she's in this relationship. Unfortunately,
oh, I love Adrian. I love Adrian and Paul. Actually, it's because of Paul I love Adrian, and two, she's a really strong woman. She inspires me. I love her. I like her. Sorry, I like her.
what are you doing? Can you get another bag?
But she can't cook though, guys. Can you imagine someone washing a chicken with soap? As in, yeah, she.
Get right up behind the door.
I feel like my eyebrows is too huge today. I haven't shaved my face yet. Yes, guys, I shaved it, and I'll show you guys. You see this hair there? Yes, I shaved it. I shaved all of it.
Are you kidding me? Don't give me that way.
See, what simple thing can I do exactly? Shadow yellow.
Oh my god.
Guys, I don't know what color I should do. Okay, I'll do a gold. I'll do that. Let's see. I'll just create a look, guys, and see if you guys like it. So first off, I'm gonna be using my Sultry eyeshadow palette, and I'm gonna be using Pie right here. Oh, sorry. Oh, she's fine.
You're a plastic surgeon, you're a
And yes, guys, Paul is a plastic surgeon. Actually, he has a TV show called Botch. I actually watch it. It's really interesting as well.
I'm getting up early and I'm walking our hills and working out.
I wouldn't necessarily say that I'm more successful than Paul, but I do know that I'm a better driver and I can diet much better than he can.
And in the end, it's all about that interpersonal dynamic, and I don't think who's more successful is as important as the family successful.
Thank you. I feel really bad that I can't make it to Pandora's bachelorette party. I'd already scheduled a photo shoot to shoot the cover of my book, and I have to plan the white party.
I think this is a really beautiful remote here.
And now, guys, I'm gonna be using our shade right here, Gorgeous. And I put concealer, but the powder I just put on top of it has already set everything, so there's not really much concealer. There's not really much concealer while I'm going to apply this shade now. But just see how pigmented this is, and I'm using it from our Red Beauty palette. The Salt.
Okay, guys. The final decision, the white one on this. Okay, can we do that one?
Can you see that?
By the way, we need a mezuzah for the door.
Yeah.
Yes, baby.
People coming.
Yes, guys. Yes. Can you see that?
People coming.
So guys, now I'm gonna be using my mascara, and I'm just gonna be
When she comes out, the first one, oh, it's perfect. I don't know. It's too much for me. Don't you gonna cry? I'm not going to cry. I love you in it. I love you in it.
I think I'm in Vegas. Fun. Cam, you're not coming. I'm so sad. I'm gonna put on speaker series.
I don't know, Kim is not much of a camera person.
Well, we're gonna miss you.
So guys, let me tell you guys what happened to me one time. Let me pick this up.
No surprise that Kim has possibly made up an excuse not to come to Vegas.
I don't know. Camille is always at Kim's ass. Anyway, so guys, let me tell you what happened one time. So one time I traveled to Sierra Leone, and my door was open, but I didn't know my door was open. My landlord was actually here when my door was open. Okay guys, now I'm gonna be putting on my lashes, and this is not dry yet. So let's let it dry. I'm gonna go offline now and go to the other eye. I'll be right back, then we'll continue our story. I'm using my Red Beauty lashes, and this is the shade Ball. So guys, yes, as I was saying, so I traveled to Sierra Leone and my door was open, but I didn't know my door was open. So my landlord came into my house. I don't know if he was supposed to enter my house or if he had the right to enter my house, but he said my door was open. So the door was closed, but it wasn't closed with the keys. And for you to know that that door isn't closed, it needs to be like open for you to know, okay, that door isn't closed. So the door was closed though, but it wasn't closed with the keys. And he entered my house. And I was like, okay, so why did you enter my house in the first place when the door was closed? What were you doing at the door? It makes no sense. Like, what were you doing at my gate? Which really got me upset. Why would you even come in my house when my door is closed? Guys, I beg, help me. It makes sense. And as you all know, I don't really use a lot of foundation on my face. I only use foundation on my contour area part, so that's the same thing. And guys, I'm still using the same foundation. It's even almost done. The sun is going down. Okay, so this I would have to remove the scarf to put it on. So I'll just wait after everything, then I'll go do up there. So I'll just do here. You guys will see that later. Makes no sense. Like, how would you even know my door is open? That means you wanted to come in. Yes, that means you did wanted to come in my house. Because I don't know what other way I can take that. Guys, the thing pained me. And that guy has cost me money, so it even pains me more. Yes, guys, he has. And if you've been a subscriber here, you know in my previous videos. So if you want to know, you can go watch it. Guys, you see why I like using my foundation? It just gives you that subtle contour glow that goes with your skin. Anyway, let's continue back to our movie. I think that's generational money, and that's the dream, man. That's the dream. That's what we want, God. Generations upon generations. And I say here today, guys, you guys are gonna tell me, your girl, she's gonna make you guys proud. Don't worry. I'm gonna be putting my concealer.
You know they're gonna get all this mixed up.
Taylor is so ugly. No, she's not ugly, but I don't like her lips. She did surgery and the plants got stuck there. I think she can't remove them. And now they look like duck sleep. Duck. A duck, not a dog.
With the Chippendales. This is gonna be one for the record books.
This is gonna be one for the record.
Good for Taylor to be shagged by a chipmunk.
She's calling her kids chipmunks. This woman is a star.
Alrighty.
Nice.
She just made her shot.
Portia's here. Can Portia get in it? Portia, come on.
Guys, I know I'm gonna be using my
It's kind of spectacular.
I feel like Kyle is too mean. Like, being girls in high school. She's really mean.
I like that.
I'll be putting my lip gloss now, and yeah. Oh, this is nice.
Look amazing. Turn around. Oh. Are we rolling?
Vegas with Adrian is so cool because it's like being with royalty. Just people bend over backwards and you just get the best service.
What do you? Are you good with white wine?
I am very good with it. Yeah, thank you. I don't regret not being with
Yes,
these
guys, I
people.
didn't even bother to put lip liner
So
today. I'm
it's
tired.
125 carats, and inside is the lollipop. It's for sale for $1 million.
I can think of other things I'd put $1 million
I
into.
know.
Other than a lollipop holder.
Do you want to try the bowl?
$1 million, guys. Lollipop holder. Me! Jesus! My body did rise.
Okay, there it is.
Maybe in the future, maybe, you know, when I have, you know, I'm sharing like billions in the accounts. Then I can buy like $1 million lollipop holder. Me! Guys, that is waste. Why would you even do that? Alright, dolls, so I am done with the makeup look. This is how everything is looking. Sorry, is looking. Yes, guys, this is how everything is looking. I am done with the makeup look. I am feeling myself. I am feeling myself so badly. I hope, you know, this made sense to you guys, because it surely did make sense. It surely did make sense to me while I was doing it. I hope it makes sense to you guys as well. But I love you guys. Thank you so much for the support. And what you guys think? I mean, don't worry guys, you guys are gonna see a tutorial on this hair very soon. Very soon. Are you guys excited? So stay tuned, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please be sure to subscribe. What are you? I mean, does it make sense to you? You've been watching it, you are not a subscriber. I mean, what is that? You guys to subscribe, you guys to join the family. Yeah, we are all family. We are gang. Once you are not part of the gang, so why are you watching? Or you come here to hate, so subscribe. I love y'all. Y'all need some lip gloss? Your mouth getting dry, talking over the same thing each and every day. You need some lip gloss in your life. Get some. Peace. Bye, guys.